the consequence of global warming and climate change. The initial estimates of total loss to our economy is to the tune of over $30 billion. And I have marshaled all the resources at my disposal for rescue, relief, and rehabilitation. But I am grappling with the sinking feeling that we just do not have enough at hand. The force of nature of climate change has truly overwhelmed us. What makes this situation even more tragic is that even though Pakistan is responsible for less than 1% of global carbon emissions, yet we are among the top 10 countries most severely impacted by climate change. Pakistan needs immediate help. Our 33 million climate refugees, that is more than the population of many countries. These climate refugees need to be rehabilitated, and today I am personally grateful to the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres for having visited Pakistan last month. We are very thankful to the UN for the fresh flash appeal of $816 million for Pakistan earlier this month. Pakistan desires peaceful relations with all its neighbors, including India. However, until India brings its atrocities in occupied Kashmir to a grinding halt, a just and lasting peace will remain elusive. For 7 decades, India has defied the will of the United Nations, as reflected through the 2 UN resolutions on Kashmir. I am absolutely ready and willing to have serious dialogue and discussion with our counterparts, Indians, provided they show sincerity of purpose and they show that they are ready to discuss issues which have really kept us at a distance over decades and creating tension, not promoting trade, not promoting investment. This has to come to a stop. And I am absolutely committed and ready to move forward, to provide an opportunity to our generations, to our future generations, and leave a legacy that finally we were able to realize the gravity of the situation. And finally, here we are, that we, with a great mind and great hearts, did a job which would provide peace, progress for all time to come.